Magandang hapon po ng November 7, 2023 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM Digit Games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, November 7, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng November 7, 2023 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for November 7, 2023, Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 104 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 104 million pesos, and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 5.9 million pesos for Tuesday, November 7, 2023. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for November 7, 2023 Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.